Hello and welcome to our Small Roses tutorial DIY. I'm so glad that you're here today. So first I want to give you a look at the Cricut mat that I've used today to be able to cut the roses and the paper flower template that I've provided on my website, radiantpearlliving.com. And so these 6 templates you'll find here all fit on one page. And so we're just taking the time now to pull off the backing. Sometimes it can get a little sticky depending on the mat you're using. And so all of it may not come out, but for the most part, I think it's done a great job, especially this white hardstock paper. The specific paper you'll see is in the description, and also each of them have been linked in the blog that is available with the video, this video, and all the details. So now I'm just using my tweezing tool there to just go ahead and pick up the extra paper that does not belong when we're looking to start rolling the flowers. There's just a few little areas there, very fine, that may not come out right away. So just taking that time, this project takes a little bit of patience, and it's a lot of fun, very calming, soothing, and therapeutic if you choose to do so. So many of you have asked about this particular shadow box project, and so today I want to take the time to show you how you're able to create your own shadow box sign. It can be a signage for your space, or for your photos, or a gift for someone in their home. Just a lovely, fun project that you can make your own. So today I'm going to show you 6 different flower files that you are able to utilize in your shadow box. Right, so what you're going to need today is you'll need the free files that I'll provide on my blog. And I went ahead and cut them in advance and showed taped examples showing the flower flat there and then once rolled, and it created those particular flower effect. Okay, so these are the different flowers you can use. I don't know if you can tell from what's on here, but this is most closely resembling this flower. And of course it's a little bit larger, and I'm going to show you live today how you can make this same flower, and just roll a few examples to show you. Here are a few cut pieces that we have ready to go. We have them in different colors, and I'm going to show you how it looks on the actual board as well. So these are just some examples, and some finished examples from the last project that were left over. And so just a lot of fun different ways you will find that you're able to mix and match or have them all the same as we have here. All right. All right, so I did have a little trouble, and I didn't want to totally disregard that, because you'll find that even for yourself, you may have trouble with a particular flower cutting properly with your machine or even by hand. And so, you know, that doesn't mean you discard the whole project. You know, one of the pieces are gone, but we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. Okay, so just to give you an idea there, you would just go ahead, and once you've cut it deep enough, you're able to remove the extra paper that you don't need. All right, so this is what we have here. And then to pull, that's what you're going to need this. So let's start. Use your quilling tool. This is Quilt Creations. And then you just start rolling it Just put it into the slot there. Then you roll it towards yourself. Just keep rolling. And you can try to level it out, make it flat as you're rolling to keep it all at the same level. Alright, and then you just take that out. And then you'll see here, just let it loose in your hand till you've gotten it loose as you want it, right there. And then you'll see at the back that there is a little flap area, so you can get your glue gun here, and you'll want to just add a little bit of glue, and then you'll just put that flap down on your backing. All right, and just let that be full. There it is. All right, now what I did with these right here is that you actually can use this and just bend them over, or you can use your hand. Just bend. You want to create more of a realistic rose flower look. There we go. And there we have it. All right. So that is most like this one right here. That's without it bent, and that's with it bent. All right. So now I wanted to show you how I'm going to utilize another design from the templates that we have here. And I'm going with a larger flower, one of the roses. This particular design we are going to roll, and you'll see the finished product. So here it is. Now with the quilling tool, we're going to roll and start at the very end and just continue to roll it towards you. And as we're rolling here, just keep adjusting and see how you can get it to level as you have it straight and you're rolling it, so that when the time comes to spread it out and place it on the backing, it will be a lot easier. So you want to just keep your hands as you're quilling it in motion there. Keep your hands on it, and then voila, you can go ahead and place it on the backing. Let it loosen in your hands until it's at the desired spread, and then just go ahead and turn that over and place your glue on the back. You're going to spread that all around so that it will completely cover our backing there. So there it is. Now you can spread the rose paper flower here. Spread it with your hands as we've done before until it's at the desired look that you would like. Just continue just to manipulate it with your hands. And now that you've taken the time to spread it out, this time we're going to use the Recollections ink pad there. You can choose any color, but I wanted it to match the color scheme that we're going for with that coral orange color. First, I was going to use my hands, but figured I didn't want to get ink all over my hands and nails. So I went for my handy dandy tweezer. That's from the Cricut collection, and was able to just have the backing completely grabbed there. And then we just put it on the ink. Right, just dab it here and there until you have the desired amount of ink. Kind of a distress look. You want to give it a real distress, as well as how flowers and roses usually are. So I just added just a little bit and then close and put it aside. And there we have it. We have our lovely spring roses in so many beautiful designs. And you can make it uniquely yours based on how large you decide to make it, or how you decide to roll it, as well as spread it and manipulate it. So there we have it, a great look. So I'd love to have you join me live as you see the roses here. We're going to create some more on the Facebook page at Stacy Zant Create. Hope to see you there. Also, we'd love to have you as a member of our Radiant Pearl group, and I look forward to welcoming you as a subscriber. So feel free to hit the subscribe button as new tutorials and new opportunities to connect will come your way. Thank you all so much for joining me today.